Viruses have two jobs: to infiltrate and replicate. They're not alive, so they don't breathe, eat, dance, or have fun. The simplest viruses have either RNA or DNA and nucleic acid contained within an outer shell of protein. It needs to infect a suitable host cell in order to replicate. Once inside, it modifies the host cell processes and gets busy making duplicates. This infiltration process in human cells can kill, damage, or change the cells, and thus cause illness. Some viruses, like the common cold, only cause mildly annoying symptoms. Some, like chickenpox and measles, can have a wide range of symptoms from moderately irritating to debilitating. And others, like HIV or Ebola, can cause death if not diagnosed and treated. Viruses are everywhere, and we can catch them from other people, from animals, and from food. They can be transmitted through the air in sneezes, coughs, or just breathing. Others are spread in sweat, saliva, and blood. Some viruses can live for a short time on something inanimate, like doorknobs, and are spread through touching contaminated objects. Viruses are incredibly small germs, invisible to the naked eye. They're much smaller than bacteria. The poliovirus, for example, is 10,000 times smaller than a grain of salt. So how do we combat an entity whose only reason for being is to infiltrate ourselves and that which we can't even see? We have a few important tools. The most important is proper hand washing. Soap and running water can destroy the protein coating of many viruses and send them down the drain. Staying away from sick people can stop the virus from spreading. If it doesn't have any cells to infiltrate, it dies. Keeping your germs to yourself by staying home from work or school or covering your nose and mouth keeps the infection contained. You're keeping your neighbor safe, and when they do the same, they keep you safe. We also have vaccines and immunizations. These provide the immune system with a small, manageable exposure so that in the event of a real, full-strength infiltration mission, it can recognize and stop the virus before disease starts. We have antiviral medicines to treat some viral infections, but in many cases, treatments help manage the symptoms while you wait for the body's impressive immune system to track down and wipe out the virus. So now you know.